LG washing machine. How to unbox and set up. Before installing the appliance, check the measurements of the space you intend to place the washing machine. For installation, remove the straps and lift up the box to remove it. Remove all protective packaging from the washing machine. Lean the washing machine backwards slightly and carefully lift and move the product from the packing base to your designated space. Remove all the parts and accessories from their packaging and make sure you're not missing any of the following. First, remove all the transit bolt assemblies. Remove transit bolts by turning them counterclockwise with a spanner. Check to see if all transit bolts have been removed. Place a hole cap on each of the holes where the transit bolts were. Your second step is all done. Great job! Now, let's check if the washing machine is sitting level. Check for jiggling by pushing down on the corners from above. Place the spirit level on the top of the washing machine. If it is not level, turn the nut to adjust the height on the unstable side. Then, check Watson with the level. Now you're good to go. If the floor is slippery, place the anti-slip sheets included in the package on the floor under the feet of the washing machine. Connect the cold inlet hose to the water tap. Then, screw the water line to the water supply on the back of the appliance. After connecting the cold supply hose, check if the water flows well from the faucet. Lastly, connect the drain hose to the drain. All done. That wasn't so hard, right?